Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the Floyd Washall algorithm problem easily. So if you see here, we are having 4 vertices, or you can call them as nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So n plus 1 number of steps will be there. Here I am having 4 number of nodes, so 4 plus 1 will be 5. So you will be using 5 matrices to solve the Floyd Washall algorithm problem which is been given here. Now if you see here, I took 5 matrices because n plus 1 number of steps will be there, that is n plus 1 number of matrices we will be using to solve the problem. First one, second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. So I started the indexing from D0, why I will tell in the later part of the video. The first step is to write all the nodes which are being given in the graph in the rows and column of all the matrices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Now let's start the problem. So what you must do is see the outgoing edge. If you see here, there is no self loop for the nodes 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 nodes are not having any self loop. So you will be writing 0. From 1 to 1 no self loop, so 0. From 2 to 2 no self loop, so 0. 3 to 3 0, 4 to 4 0. That is all the diagonal elements, the values are 0. So it will continue in the further step also. That is all the diagonal elements will be equal to 0 because there is no self loop. Now what is the first step is see the graph given here and write the values in the D0 matrix. Using the D0 we will proceed with the problem. You must only use the outgoing arrows. First let's see the node number 1. From node number 1 there is only one outgoing arrow, that is from 1 to 4 with the value of 5. From 1 to 4 with the value of 5. Sorry, there is another edge outgoing from 1 to 2. So the value is 3. Now there is no direct connection or the edge from 1 to 3, so you will write its value as infinity because I am not knowing its value at the initial stage. Same for all other nodes. From 2 there are 2 outgoing arrows, that is from 2 to 1 with the value of 2, from 2 to 4 with the value of 4. So from 2 to 3 there is no outgoing arrow, so you will write infinity. See the third node, only one outgoing arrow to 2 with the value of 1 and all other value will be infinity. For fourth node only one outgoing value to the third node with the value of 2 and others will be equal to infinity at the initial stage. Now we are completed with the first step. Now let's move to the second step, that is D1. In the D1, which is the matrix we are using, D1. So what we will be doing is we will be copying the first row and first column element from the previous matrix. So D0 is the previous matrix, copy the first row and first column values. 3, infinity, 5, 2, infinity, infinity. Now let's find the value of 2, 3. So you must find the value of 2, 3. This is the matrix D1. From 2 you will come to 1, from 1 you will go to 3. It is the D1 matrix, so you will come from 2 to 1, from 1 you will go to 3, like this. This is the simple trick, from 2 to 1, 1 to 3. Find the value of the 2, 3 in the previous. It is infinity. 2, 1 value is 2 plus 1, 3 value. 1, 3 value is infinity. Infinity plus 2 will be infinity itself. So among this one and this one, which is the smaller one? So both are infinity itself. So you will write infinity here. Now 2, 4. So 2, 4 means how you will come from 2 to 1, from 1 to 4, like this. So the value of 2, 4 in the previous matrix is 4. 2, 1 is 2 plus 1, 4 is 5. So 5 plus 2 will be 7. Among 7 and 4, which is the smaller one? 4 is the smaller one. So you will write 4 here. Next I must find the value of 3, 2. So 3, 2 means what you will be doing? From 3 you will come to 1, from 1 you will go to 2. Now the value of 3, 2 is 1. The value of 3, 1 is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So among 1 and infinity, 1 is the smaller one. So write 1 here. Now let's find the value of 3, 4. So 3, 4 means since it is the D1 matrix, from 3 you will come to 1, from 1 you will go to 4. So 3, 4 value is infinity. 3 comma 1 value is also infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So you will be writing infinity here. Now let's find the value of 4 comma 2. So 4 comma 2. So 4 comma 2 means from 4 you will come to 1, from 1 you will go to 2. The value of 4 comma 2 is infinity. The value of 4 comma 1 is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So write infinity here. Next I must find the value of 4 comma 3. So 4 comma 3 means from 4 I will come to 1, from 1 I will go to 3. So 4 comma 3 value in the previous matrix is 2. 4 comma 1 value is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. The smaller value is 2. So I will be writing 2 here. Now the second matrix is done. Using the second matrix, we will be writing the third matrix. So this is the D2 matrix. D2 means what you will be doing, you will be just copying the second row and second column elements from the previous matrix. So 2, infinity, 4, 3, 1, infinity. Now let's find the value of 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 means you are writing the values in the D2 matrix. So from 1 you must come to 2, from 2 you will go to 3. Now the value of 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is infinity. The value of 1 comma 2 is 3 plus 2 comma 3 is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So infinity is the answer here. Now let's find the value of 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 means from 1 I will come to 2, from 2 I will go back to 4. The value of 1 comma 4 is 5. The value of 1 comma 2 is 3. The value of 2 comma 4 is 4. So 4 plus 3 will be 7. Among 7 and 5, which is the smaller one? 5 is the smaller one. So write 5 here. Now let's find the value of 3 comma 1. So 3 comma 1 means from 3 I will come to 2, from 2 I will go to 1. So the value of 3 comma 1 is infinity. The value of 3 comma 2 is 1. The value of 2 comma 1 is 2. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. Among 3 and infinity, 3 is the smaller one. So I will write 3 here. Now let's find the value of 3 comma 4. So 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 means 3 to 2, 2 to 4. 3 comma 4 value is infinity. 3 comma 2 value is 1. 2 comma 4 value is 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Among 5 and infinity, 5 is the smaller one. Now let's find the value of 4 comma 1. So 4 comma 1 means from 4 I will come to 2, from 2 I will go to 1. 4 comma 1 value. 4 comma 1 value is infinity. 4 comma 2 value is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So you will be writing the value as infinity. 4 comma 3. So 4 comma 3 means from 4 you come to 2, from 2 you will go to 3 again. 4 comma 3 value is 2. 4 comma 2 value is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So the smaller value is 2. Now you are completed with the third matrix also. Using this third matrix, you will be writing the fourth matrix. This is the D3 matrix. So you will be copying the third column and third row element from the previous step. So infinity, infinity, 2, 3, 1, 5. Now let's find the value of 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 means you are filling the values to the D3 matrix. So from 1 to 3 and 3 to 2, like this. See the previous matrix value. What is the value of 1 comma 2? 1 comma 2 value is 3. 1 comma 3 value is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So just write 3 here. Now 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 means from 1 to 3, from 3 to 4. The value of 1 comma 4 is 5. The value of 1 comma 3 is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So just write 5 here. Now let's find the value of 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 1 means from 2 to 3, from 3 to 1. The value of 2 comma 1 is 2. The value of 2 comma 3 is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So the smaller value is 2. 2 comma 4. So 2 comma 4 means 2 to 3 plus 3 to 4. The value of 2 comma 4 is 4. The value of 2 comma 3 is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So the value is 4. Now last 2 is left, that is 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1 means from 4 you will go to 3, from 3 you will go to 1. The value of 4 comma 1 is infinity. The value of 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 is 3. So 3 plus 2 will be 5. Among 5 and infinity, the smaller value is 5. So I will write 5 here. Next 4 comma 2. So 4 comma 2 means from 4 you will come to 3. From 3 you will go to 2. 4 comma 2 value is infinity. 4 comma 3 value is 2. 3 comma 2 value is 1. 2 plus 1 will be 3. Among 3 and infinity, 3 is the smaller. So I will write 3 here. Now we are completed with the fourth matrix. We are left out with only one matrix to solve the Floyd Washall problem which has been given here. Now since it is the D4 matrix, you will be copying the 4th row and 4th column from the previous step itself. So 4th column and 4th column 5, 4, 5, 5, 3, 2. Now let's find the values. 1 comma 2. I need the value of 1 comma 2. I am filling the value to the 4th matrix. So from 1 I will go to 4. From 4 I will come to 2. See the previous matrix, that is D3 matrix. 1 comma 2 value is 3. 1 comma 4 value is 5. 4 comma 2 value is 3. So 5 plus 3 will be 8. Among 8 and 3, which is the smaller one? 3 is the smaller one. So I will be writing 3 here. Now let's find the value of 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 means from 1 to 4, 4 to 3. Value of 1 comma 3 is infinity. Value of 1 comma 4 is 5 plus 4 comma 3 is 2. 5 plus 2 will be 7. Among 7 and infinity, 7 is the smaller one. 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 1 means 2 to 4 and 4 to 1. The value of 2 comma 1 is 2 and the value of 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 is 4 plus 4 comma 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 will be 9. Among 9 and 2, 2 is the smaller one. Next 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 means 2 to 4, 4 to 3. Among infinity and 6, 6 is the smaller one. Now we are left out with only 2 values to find, that is 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 means from 3 to 4, from 4 to 1. Among 10 and 3, which is the smaller one? 3 is the smaller one. Now the last one is 3 comma 2. So 3 comma 2 means 3 comma 4 plus 4 comma 2. Among 8 and 1, which is the smaller one? 1 is the smaller one. So I will write 1 here. This is the final matrix with finding all the values. Here we took the infinity because we are not knowing the shortest value at the starting. Here if you see at the last step, we know the value of all the elements which are in the matrix. So hope you understood the problem and how to solve the Floyd Washall problem with the easy trick. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment below. I will clarify it. If you like the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.